Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix furniture dents in carpet. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is a carpet, and I know what you're thinking, there's no furniture dents in the carpet, and that's because I used this method. There were many different furniture dents in this carpet because we actually used it in a variety of different rooms over the years, and basically I got those furniture dents out rather easily. Now obviously the longer that the furniture dent has been in the carpet, the harder that it is going to be to actually remove it, but you can really easily fix it. All that you need is a few things. You need a spoon. You can also use a fork, but I do recommend a spoon because it is a smoother surface, so it's less likely to actually, do any sort of damage to the carpet as you're raising up the fibers again. You need a cloth that you can iron on. So this is just an old cloth that we just use as almost like a rag, and you should be able to just iron on it comfortably. Okay, and then you obviously need an iron. So I have an iron over here, and you're not going to need it on too high of a heat setting because we're just going to be using the steam. So we don't really need it to be on a high heat, just hot enough that you can create some steam. So there's going to likely be a steam button on the iron. If you push that button, you're going to get some steam. There it is. Kind of hard to see in the video, but trust me, you can hear that there is steam there. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that there's a furniture dent right here. There was one a little bit further out. You can't really see where they are because I really did a good job with it. But we're going to pretend there's a furniture dent right here. Now what you're going to do is place your towel or your cloth over top of that area, okay? So we're going to pretend there's a furniture dent right here. Now, essentially what you're going to do is you're going to use the iron, and just for a brief few seconds, you're going to iron over the spot and steam it a couple times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to iron over the spot, and I'm pushing the steam button, okay? Just a couple times. Remove it. Do it again, just like that, okay? Sorry, that's the sound of the iron because of the water, and I put lots of water in there, okay, in the reservoir. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our spoon, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to scrape up where the furniture dent is, and that's going to raise up the fibers. You can go in both directions, but most likely it's going to be in one direction. You can even see in this spot right here that I'm actually just raising up the fibers. Even though there's no furniture dent, I'm still raising up those fibers. You can see right there. And you're going to probably have to do it a few times at least. It will most likely, unless your furniture dent is rather new, it'll most likely take you a couple times. So we're going to do it again. Iron, steam it a couple times, steam it a couple times, iron, just like that. Okay? Remove that cloth, use your spoon to scrape up those fibers. And you're going to continue doing this. And from my experience, even the really tough indented furniture dents still took probably I'd say 5 sessions of doing this. And honestly, it takes, for each furniture dent, it takes a couple minutes. Once you're all set up, it just takes a couple minutes. Now, just a friendly reminder, I am not ironing for a long time. I'm mostly trying to use the steam. So I'm steaming, I'm lifting the iron up a bit, right? Steaming, moving the iron, lifting it up a bit. I don't want to get this area too hot, right? Because we don't want to get the carpet too hot because we don't know how the fibers are going to respond to the heat. But we do know that with steam, you should be okay for raising up those furniture dent fibers because it allows them to be loosened up, okay? So that's it. And if you ever want to know more, you can always look at the actual care tag, wash and care tag on the rug. Most likely your rug will have a tag on it underneath it that will tell you what is recommended and what is not recommended for cleaning and stuff like that. So if you're ever in doubt, you can always check that tag. You can always look up what material the rug is made from or the carpet is made from, and you can look up if you should be using an iron on it. But like I said, we're just going quickly over the spot. I've used this with all of the carpets that we've had, as whenever we've rearranged the room and stuff, I've used this method with all the carpets and I've never had an issue so far. And you can see even where I did it, the fibers are all raised up, right? So even though there's no furniture dents, this is just like me walking on it and my wife and kids walking on it over the last few months. All the fibers have been compressed down. By doing that, right, I raised them up. You can see the difference in coloration over there. That's it. If you like that, and it's very simple. I mean, literally, if you have a few furniture dents on a carpet, probably within 10 minutes you'll be done the entire carpet. If it's 4 different furniture dents from the legs of a chair, of a couch, or of a table, or anything like that. But that's it. It's actually really easy to do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.